Have you ever wondered if there's a real way to attract someone who is in complete harmony with you? The answer is yes, but it all begins with clarity. If you follow each step of this process with intention, you can create a powerful connection with someone who resonates with your energy, your values, your essence. You need to know exactly what you want. That's because the law of attraction works like a precise system. It responds to your vibration and your intention, and the clearer you are, the more aligned you'll be with what you desire. So aim high, feel worthy of the best. Don't settle for less than what your heart truly wants. Forget about faces and names. Focus on the qualities. Visualize yourself with someone who shares your dreams, who vibrates on the same frequency as you. Think of it like a flight plan. You wouldn't say you're landing somewhere in the city. You'd say, I'm landing at Miami International Airport at 2:43 p.m. That's the level of precision your mind needs when it comes to manifesting your ideal partner. And here's the secret. You can only attract what is in harmony with your vibrational state. Your thoughts, emotions, and dominant feelings determine what you bring into your life. It might sound strange, I get it. It may even seem a bit out there, but it's not. This practice has already changed the lives of thousands, and it can change yours too. What you need to do is commit, truly. Put these teachings into practice. Live as if that person is already in your life. Feel ready. Vibrate with love, with certainty, with confidence. The results will come, and they will surprise you. You are already whole. Your essence is perfect. Beneath everything you think needs fixing lies the most authentic and powerful version of who you truly are. And that version is the one that attracts everything you've ever desired. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about the law of attraction. See you soon.